get this information out to you because I think it's really important. One of the things that I've found is the biggest reason that people don't buy houses is primarily because they don't have enough money. And so what I wanted to do today is I wanted to give you 5 mortgages, 5 different programs that will allow you to go to closing with as little as 5%. One of them is 3%, and 3 of them are 0% down. So here's what the deal is. A lot of people think you need 20% down to buy a house. Well, that's just not true anymore. Now, there are advantages if you have more money to put down, but as far as getting in a house in today's mortgage market, as hard as you've heard people say it is very doable. We do it every day. So let me start with the first program. First is a conventional loan program. Now, right now, conventional loan programs are the best loans out there. The mortgage insurance that you have to pay if you put less than 20% down is reasonable. It does go away at some point in time when you get to that 20% level, and all in all, it's not going to keep you from qualifying for a mortgage. Now, there are a little bit higher debt ratio requirements, and there also are credit score requirements that are a little bit higher than some of these other programs, but it's still a very valid program, very within reach of almost everybody. Okay, so that's one, 5% down. The second one, probably one of the more popular ones, is FHA. It has a minimum down payment of 3.5%. Now, 3.5%, you can do the math, whatever the purchase price is. My little example is if it's a $100,000 purchase, your down payment would be $3,500. Okay, so that's pretty simple. It's used. There are some negatives to FHA, and it usually revolves around the mortgage insurance when you compare it against the conventional. But still a great program, one that you can use to get in a house today for a very little down. Now here's one of I think the best loan going is a loan for veterans. If you're a vet and you have access to a VA approval or a VA loan, it's by far the best loan. 0% down. You pay a one-time mortgage insurance premium at the first part of the loan, not on your monthly, and it's absolutely the best deal out there. They do allow you to have lower than even the FHA FICO score, so they're right about the same, VA and FHA. So if you're a vet, then a VA loan is absolutely the right way to go. Again, remember, it's 0 down. Now, another one that is a 0 down program is the USDA mortgage. Now, USDA is a little bit restrictive in the fact that it's an agricultural type product where this is not one that you can use for my business in Harris County. Pretty much in Harris County you're eliminated from using this, but if you're in Montgomery or if you're in Fort Bend or if you're in any of the surrounding counties of this Houston metro area, it's very well possible that the property would qualify, and then there are some specific borrower qualifications that are based on your income. So that's something that we ought to look at if you're looking at some of the outside counties and you don't have the down payment money. And then finally, there's a new program out there. It's called a Seth. It's Southeast Texas Home Loans, and it's a grant program. And there's not many people doing these, and it's kind of new, but it's a really good program because they will give you up to 5% in this grant program if you meet their qualifying standards. Now, it's basically an FHA program where they take the yield from the FHA premium, so the rate's going to be a little bit higher, but they give you anywhere from 3, 4, or 5%, which you can use for closing costs, you can use for your down payment, and or you can use it for both if you use the 5% program. Now, if you have any interest in finding out more about these low down payment programs, I'm going to encourage you to call me. My number is going to be right there. And again, my name is Mike Durr. I look forward to talking to you very soon. Let's get you into one of these programs. The real estate market in this Houston metropolitan area is hot right now, and it's a great time to buy. So talk to you soon. Here's my number.